So it's 9 o'clock today, and I'm going to the kite platform to see. Now here we are, and we will see. Okay, the market has opened very higher at around 118 points. You can see 119 points because all the markets, especially the US market, performed really too much better. I will show you. We'll go here. So this is you can see the Asian markets first. Australia, then there is Hang Seng 267 points up, then there is Taiwan TSEC 50 is 222 points up, then the Japanese one at around 80 points up, Shanghai 10 points up. So we will type in US markets today. Then we will go to the CNN website here. Now you can see here that Dow was around 337 points up and Nasdaq was 155 points up. So these things all together, they they have too much effect on this Nifty 50, and as you can see, it is 102 points up as of now. So we will see how much it can go up, and I took positions in the Bank Nifty, as you are already aware here. For 3900C and 3800C, right? So I took positions here, two positions are there, and we will see once the market opens how far can Nifty Bank go. Okay, Nifty 50 is up 81 points now, 76 now, and we will see how far Nifty Bank can go, because from where I can get profits. So even if it reaches this one around 257, that is 100 points up, then I will make a profit of around 5,000 rupees in this one, and this one also we will see. Yesterday I was targeting only 1500 rupees, it went up to like 1700 or 1800, then came back 102 points up again. So it's improving. And holdings, I purchased Suven Life share here, that is 340 shares yesterday, and 100 was previously I bought it at around 56 or 57 rupees. This one I bought for 86 rupees, 340 shares. So it is now around averaged 79.74. Still it's giving me a 14% return after all this. Okay, let the market open at 9:15, then we will see what happens. Okay, it's 9:07, and as you can see, Nifty 50 stopped at 95 and Nifty Bank is 229 points up. Okay, now you can see the profit, which was around 9,000 something, now it automatically increased to 13,924. It was around 6.6% or something like that, and it rose to 9.73%. Again, we will check which one gave the most profit. Okay, Suven Life Sciences actually increased. Now it increased to 99 from 91, and that is 8.67% gain today. 1%, 2.87%, 2.031, 1.04, 1%, 8%. Okay, so Suven Life Sciences is actually performing really well, and that's how I am generating my profit. So it increased around 10%, from 14% to around 24.15%. Okay, 9:99 right now time is. We will wait till 9:15. So it's going to be 9:50 in few seconds. I want to exit this position, so limit 350. We will see whether it goes or not. and as soon as it will hit 915 I will swipe to sell. Maybe okay, I'm just waiting for 915. It will open up higher, I know, but we will see. Okay, I just placed the order and it's increasing. High is 255. So I will see Nifty Bank day 1 minute. Okay, you can see it reached up to 900 something. We will see how far it can go. Holdings, what happened to my holdings? 9.35%. What are the volumes here? 82. Okay, it's going good as of now. And hopefully the Nifty Bank and Nifty 50 both will go up today because the market was very much positive. Okay, it's coming down, going up. So 1 minute graph here. We will wait for few 5 minutes graph. So it is around 45 points up from tomorrow. 350, I think that if 350 was too much. It went up to 255 only. Almost 100 points. Okay, Nifty 50, 138 is coming down. This 30,800 is not performing well enough, although it's 50 points up from tomorrow. When 60 what was the highest? Okay, highest was like 300. $99.20. Yesterday there were no buyers, sellers here. Today it is performing well. 99.25. Okay, we'll see what's happening in Vakarangi here. Okay, buy signals are enough. 53.15. $14,391. Okay, Swen reached 200. Vakarangi 53.65. 99.55. 1%, 3%. Calentech is 3% increase today. So I added some companies to my watch list here. Let me show you the third one. So these are all the companies that added. So all of them actually increased today. Then I'm more interested in M&M Finance 2.60 up. Yesterday also it was up. KPIT Tech I'm interested. IOC interested. Chola Finance, Bandhan Bank is continuously increasing. Apollo Tyre is continuously increasing. Then Manappuram Finance is also increasing. TCS and all these are big companies here. Pidlite, Madasumi I am very much interested. However, I didn't purchase it till now. GSPL, HDFC is always increasing. Okay, so next candle started for the 5 minute and it's going up as of now. Today's profit and loss is it is showing 5,000 around 3.35% up. Now again there are no sellers here for Suven Life Sciences, only buyers are there. 46 orders on 100.20. No sellers here. So 5 minute graph, as you can see, it is going up as of now. So it's around 9:33 and you can see the Nifty Bank is 175 points up, Nifty 50 88 points up, and you can see the 5 minute candle right here. It's still going very positive, and hopefully so there is this level like 3875 and 3900. So I am hoping that it should cross 3875 today. Then only the sentiments will be on the upper side. So we will see how it's going today. 154 points up. I'm thinking of selling like 25 quantities of this one around 210 or something. Then I will hold like 25. I'm also thinking that I should sell this one once it reaches around 1000 rupees. 17 December 3800 C, because if market is not drastically going up, then it will be going down again. Okay, let me check other in the watch list what's happening here. 3700 C's are 58 points. 3700 PE is down. What is the low? Low is 111. Okay. Okay, 3684 points down, 105 points down, 3900 is 250 points down. I don't know whether I can okay, selling in 170 points up. So right now it is 211 something. Okay, so it reached 3870 as of now. So hopefully it will cross 3875, 3873 and something. 877 it already crossed here. And now we are going to sell the first one, that is okay, let me exit it at 275. We'll set 275 here and I'm going to place this order. We will see whether it goes up to 275 or not. It's going up, up, up. Thirty-eight 84, it's reaching 3900, 271. Okay, I want it to reach 272. Come on, come on. Just a little push and it will reach. $269, 270. Waiting for 275, 271. Come on, come on. Okay, I'm thinking of selling like 25 quantities of this one. So again it is coming down 3870. Okay, 270, 269, 268. Come on, little bit push and it will reach. It will easily reach 275. If it doesn't reaches in few seconds, then I will take it to 270 and I will book profits. Come on, it's increasing. 876. I don't know. These kind of situations are actually really tough, whether to sell it or not. 3866. Maybe a bit of push here, hard push. Maybe next candle. It may go down or up. Actually, the market has performed better. So most probably it's going to go up here. 939. We will look out for the next candle here. 939. 3863. 940. Okay, it opened a bit lower, 3862. Okay, now I'm going to change this one, that is 350 is not possible as of now. I am going to modify it and I will sell 25 quantities on 220 something. I think I need to book profits now. What's happening with the 1 minute graph? It is going down. Okay, it reached up to 830, 854 here. So there is a selling pressure here, 31, 61 points up, 86 point up. So 270 is there, 275 is there. I will modify it to 270. And we will see whether it reaches or not. It is struggling at like 265 or something. So unable to cross that mark until Bank Nifty goes a bit higher here. Okay, now 1 minute graph is improving, but you can see that candle, the last one red, bearish kind of candle is there. Okay, positive sign is that Nifty 50 is going up here. Even though I haven't invested in Nifty 50, but if it continues to go up, then also it's a good sign that everything will be improving. Now even though MACD, the last two lines are showing red, but still is performing well. $267, come on, hit the 270 mark and come on, it reached up to 269. Come on. Struggling. It's unable to touch the 270 only. Come on. This is going 269. Come on. Oh shit. Come on. 269, 270. Touched. Okay, so I booked a profit of around 1181 rupees. Now actually I booked, now it may go up. Okay, once you book the profits, then only it starts to go up. I can see the next candle, it opened higher. Now it may have hit 272, it raised. Now it will also reach, easily reach 275 now. Okay, now I want it to reach 220 so that we can sell. Okay, I'm going to sell all the 50 quantities here. I don't want to wait anymore. Orders pending, modify. Oh, it reached 220. So my modification won't work because it already executed. Now see, it reached like 274, almost, maybe 275. So again, so now there is 20 quantity. What is the thing going on here? Okay, still I will wait. It's coming down. So now I can see the candles are actually leveling up, so it may go down for a little bit of time, then it will go up again. So I'm thinking of taking a PE position because I sold, and let me check how much funds I have here. Okay, 12,250. So I will purchase. Okay, first of all let me sell this one, 25 quantity here, 30 into 15, 16. It reached up to 222. Okay, what happening is with the Nifty 50? It's not a good sign here. So I will sell it on market limit. To 0 probably, 218 only. I will sell it at, okay, it's completed. Completed. Come on, why it is showing like, okay, did I just purchased it? Come on, I need to sell this one. Why did I purchase it? That was completely stupid thing to do. That was completely stupid thing to do. I purchased it instead of selling it. Holy shit. No problem still. Okay, maybe there are some intraday charges. So maybe they will charge me around 50-60 rupees for that stupid order that I. Now it is, you can see, now it is 277, 222. Now it will be increasing, maybe 300, 350. So we booked a profit, means I booked a profit of 4,360 from the positions that I took yesterday. So overall I was in 1,500 loss. So right now I am in profit of maybe 2,500 rupees, 360 and something will be, they will cut 270. See how it's increasing and it's going up here. Now we are not going to make an entry here for the position, we already booked profits here. And what happens to my holding is like 14,794. okay, 3 is now 5,400 rupees, and there is nothing happening again in Suven because there are no sellers here. Kalantech. Okay, now you can see Ashok Lee has increased. It was in the negative, now it has recovered and it is giving a 4% return today, right? 4.11, so it may increase a little bit more. So still it's increasing. It's a really good sign that it's going up. 5-minute candles are very important here. I can see it raised to 80 to 26. It's increasing, but I'm very much satisfied with this much of profit here, 4360. And I will take a PE position maybe after few more 5-minute candles, because it's going, I'm pretty sure that it's going to come down at least up to level of 30,800 or 30,800, 25 30 something like that. So we can book profits again in the P position. 3879, but I think I should take, so it will be a very much risky to take a P position on on in this 17th December expiry, because today is 16th. 24 P positions are very much higher, 457, 408, and I don't know whether I can purchase it or not. I haven't tried it. Maybe it will start after the 17th. Then there is 321, 323. What was the higher point? It opened at 300. It went up to 381. 3700 P is here. 3800 P is there, 190. Let me check. I was 270. How much? What was the low? Low was 140. Okay, if I want to buy it, how much money it will take? 4,722 rupees. Okay, not a problem. We will check. Still it's going up. And how many points are up? 187 points only up. How far, how easily it is now hanging at 275 once I sold it. That's what happens. Even though I waited enough actually, to book profits of 4,000. So I'm going to take a P position of 3,800 for like 4,000 rupees, and we will see whether now I am in overall profit in the, that is I invest like 12,000 13,000 rupees only in options. So overall I'm in profit, so I will take a chance here, and I'm going to take a 3,800 C position here. 25 lots only. Limit placed, completed, and we will see how much profit I can make from it. P position, whether I will be in loss or I will be in profit, you will be able to see. Okay, right now you can see it's going up, and it's not even flattening out. Maybe it's if you see the MACD graph here, these three are red. So we will see what's happening here. So I'm not going to take these two C positions just like yesterday, because it's quite dangerous. If it market went up like 88 or 100 points up, so if the situation was opposite, maybe it went 100 points down, then my whole capital will have wiped out. So this thing should not be done. Only one position should be taken here. However, not much money was involved. Very little amount was involved. Okay, so we'll come back later at a later time. Right now it's 9:54. We'll come back and we will check what if market goes market further goes up or it comes down. Then we will try to book a very small profit, maybe around 500 rupees or something in the P position, or maybe if the overall total profit and loss reaches 5,000 rupees, it is like 600 rupees from here. Now after just a minute only that it started to go down. You can see this 5-minute candle is now making a red here. Maybe it will go up it will consolidate and it will go up, but right now it is making a you know negative candle here, and you can see the profits are rising in this P position 110, 194 and something like that. And if it continues to go down, then I can make good profit in this P position in few minutes only. So what do you think, at what position should I sell this P position? I'm thinking that total profit and loss should reach 5,000 rupees, then only I will sell it. Right now it's 4600, maybe 400 rupees more here, few points down, few points up, and I will reach it easily. So time is 9:59. So I'm going to take a bath here, and then we will check. Then I will check how far that my profit can, how much profit can I book in this P position here, 199, 200. And right now the 5-minute candle is going, and the second candle also became red. Now that's a very positive sign here for my position. I can see the profits are rising. So I'm going to take a bath, then I will come back to check what is happening. Okay, it's DW 207. Okay, maybe I just did set it at 220 and I didn't check it. I was I went up to the bathroom here to do the brush, and it reached up to like 240 or something. Still I booked a profit of 1181 rupees. So most probably the market will bounce back after maybe one or two candles. It will surely bounce back, but right now it is going down. Okay, so I took a C position again. Now the average 201. So profit was around 736 or something like that. So you will see how far it can go. I am hoping that market will go up again after this three little red candles, four especially. Now there is a bearish pattern here. It may go down. Right now it's cold here. I'm shivering right now after taking the bath. We will see how far it can go and how much profit can we book in this position. Right now I can see around 100 rupees up. Now as you can see, it's again making a red candle here and it's going down because it showed us a bearish pattern here. Now we have to see at what level it can drop. Maybe 750. Okay, not 750, this is the level. Okay, 750 will be too much and I will be in loss because I didn't set the stop loss on that one, C position. So I am hoping that it will bounce back to 3850, something like that, maybe in half an hour or something. So I will hold a position, I won't sell it. If it drops further, then we will see what I am going to do with my position here. Oh, right now it's increasing. So now it reached 224. So I'm guessing it was around 750. So 300 rupees profit I can see right now. Now it is showing a positive sign in this one, and you already saw that I took a MI position for the CMIS position. Right now it is equivalent to what I purchased, 47 rupees profit. So if it market bounces back even a little bit in few minutes, maybe half an hour, and it goes up to 850, then I will book some profits in this MIS position here, and we will see what happens. So I have to go somewhere. I will be driving bike. We'll keep monitoring positions in between. Now you can see the market is bouncing back. Hopefully it will reach till 850, 3850. Then we can book some profits here. 3778 right now. Nifty 50 is 80 points up, and it is 172. So we'll wait for another like 25 minutes or 30 minutes. Okay, as of now the market is not going up, not going down. It is stabilizing, but as you can see in the MACD section, it's making a green sign here. That means or what I experienced, that it may continue to go up from here, and we will see that candle that it is making right now. Hopefully the market will return back from here, because I think volumes across banks are positive right now. We will see right now how much. 89 points up, and I'm in just 5 rupees profits, or maybe less. Is hovering around the same position, 174.40 that I purchased. Okay, I want to make this total profit and loss like 6,000 rupees. I need 400 rupees here. That means it should go up by like 15 points up, something like 15 points up, or 12 to 15 points up. Okay, I'm very hopeful that it will surely reach there. Now it is increasing. 180, 181. Now as you can see, it is showing a positive sign, a positive candle, green one. 102 points up now. Okay, I'll be driving a bike in few minutes, so I have to set a target, maybe 200 or something like that. Even if it goes up to like 200, 150 points up, then it will surely reach 200. This one will surely reach 200. 184, 185. Okay, now it's 120 points up. So it had crossed the level of 3800. Again at the same position, 176, 177. We will continue to monitor the positions here. Okay, now it's going into around the same position. So because I will be driving, so I have put a limit order on this to sell this one at 200. Right now it's at 174. And how much money is involved? 4,000 something. So the market went down further. You can see a big spike. It turned just negative. It went up to 36.25. Then as you can see, the all gains are gone and it is just 1 point up, actually 20 negative, then came back here. So I took another C position. I took on 140. Now you can see 50 quantity of C. So my average went from 174 to 157. And this is an MIS. However, I can convert the position if I feel like it should be converted. So we will see. It's 12:33 right now, so we will wait and we will see whether it recovers or not. I don't think it's going to recover today because there is a very big spike. I don't know why, but maybe there is some news. Okay, we'll continue monitoring the position here. So right now you can see it is around 139 and market is still going down. So it didn't recover as expected by me, that I expected it to bounce back till 3850. However, it came down. Now it is around 3700, 3707 something. We will see what's going to happen till 330. So 157 is the average after taking another 25 on 140. जानो या यहाँ ई लगा हुआ साला को 200 सेट कह रहे हैं ना तब है तो वाका देखो फालतू को बिका के वजन हुआ रहा है बेची मार छोड़ इनका फिर 165 लगा दी ना पहुँच जा तो पूरा पक्का पहुँची उसका मॉडिफाई करेंगे साला 11 बजे लगा हुआ है 1 बजे से चूकी आपका चलता है वही हुआ माना छूट जैसे 165 टच करे जैसे बिकाई गया कहाँ बिकाए जितना सोचो कई जाने बाटे ना बिकाए हुआ भैया 170 तक गवा हो जाने तो यारी तो फाइनल आज के तरफ ख़त्म करो अब ना खेलो 100 ग्राम अदरक हमें ज़्यादा मिलबो नहीं कि 186 रुपया में अच्छा चलो कुछ तो मिली 200-300 रुपया घाटा 100 ग्राम मिर्चा 50 ग्राम ज़्यादा 50 ये कै रुपया किलो है मिर्च 50 ग्राम ये इतना सही है कि और नीचे चाहिए अतरा बहुत तीत बा हो मिर्च भाई वाला हाँ कहिए क्या भाव है मिर्च 20 रुपया कर रुपये पाव 20 रुपये हाँ तो 40-50 में हो गए ना बैगन कैसा है
बैगन 10 के अलग
यही वाला गोल वाला बाबू गोल
वाला 15 का
है क्या आधा किलो है
ये 10 के
बस इतने बस इतना
एक तो अलग किलो है 900 ग्राम और
आधा किलो लिंजा का बैगन हो यार 4 टुकड़ा लागे ले ले जौन लागे ना घरे बना लो खा तो कि नहीं ज़्यादा
कितना दे
यही करीब 900 ग्राम है
ओ मटर आज आनी मिल रहा हो
पुदीना है पुदीना कैसा है 10 रुपये
तो मटेरिया का भाव है?
पुदीना 10 के कितना दे बढ़िया 35 में
20 से 35
लो 10
हाँ
वो डाल दिया
अब आलू
ले लो 90 रुपये
हैं?
मूली कैसे
गाजर दे दिए हलवा
किलो गाजर दे दिए हमको
हलवा सब
अरे आप कहाँ नहीं उठता आप तो नहीं उठता खत्म होएगा ना प्याज भाई प्याज धीरे धीरे जाता है
हम तो लेके आए 10 कट्टा।
बहुत लंबा उधर के नमक कुआं वाली रोड बन गई। तिलैया जहाँ मेला लगा था वहाँ से रोड बनी। नमक कुआं साइकिल खड़खड़ आवाज संतल से आए बोल क्या यही लो भाई क्या हो गया चलो
So it's 2:35 right now, and you can see the Nifty Bank is only 45 points up, and throughout the day it was a roller coaster ride. It was going up, then it was going down. As you can see the graph here for today, and I also took some stupid positions here. I did some mistakes. However, I lost only 300 rupees or something in that one. Few recovered, few lost. So overall, I made a profit of around 5,218.75 rupees. And as you can see here, 20 trades. I don't know why PNB was rejected. Then there are 3 rejections here because I already set the limit to 200 and I was again trying to sell the limit at limit price of 165, and I did notice that I already set the limit to 200 at 11 o'clock or something like that. So it was asking for margin, and at that time I was confused why it was asking for margin. Then I remember from my previous trading that that the limit must be there set by me. So there are a few other things, this one that is I sold at 137, and in this one I lost around 500 rupees because I converted a MIS position to normal in order to sell it. I was selling it in the same, that is that limit of 200. It wasn't selling, so I converted to the normal, then I sold it. And then I after few minutes I noticed that a 200 limit was set into 3900 C. Anyways, 5218.75. so after all the cuts, I don't know how much I will be getting. It is really confusing. Now holdings 15,104. So today's profit and loss 5,766, that is 3.77% up. And the gainers were Ashok Lee 5%, then Gully Spat 5.44%, then there is Suven Life Sciences, that is around 10%, 9.99. Now in the morning, from morning only, there are no sellers in this one. Then we have Vakrangi at 4.5%. So these were in complete profit today. So thank you for watching the video. I won't be taking any new spots today. So thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thank you.